Welcome back to Budev Global, your go-to channel for all things trade and commodities. Today, we delve into the world of trade in India, focusing on the crucial role of commodity-specific bodies. These organizations, each dedicated to a specific sector or commodity, are instrumental in promoting, regulating, and supporting trade within their respective industries. From addressing sector-specific issues to organizing trade shows, these bodies are the backbone of India's trade ecosystem. In this video, we will be discussing some of the most prominent commodity-specific bodies in India. India is home to numerous commodity-specific bodies, each focusing on a specific sector or commodity. These bodies or organizations represent various industries, and their primary role is to promote, regulate, and support trade within their respective sectors. Among these, there's the Coffee Board of India, which oversees the production, marketing, and export of coffee. It ensures that the coffee produced in India meets global standards and reaches the international market in a timely and efficient manner. Then we have the Tea Board of India. Similar to its coffee counterpart, this body regulates and promotes the cultivation, production, and export of tea, one of India's most cherished exports. Next on the list is the Spices Board of India. This body is responsible for the development and promotion of Indian spices. It deals with everything from production, export to quality control, ensuring that Indian spices maintain their reputation for quality and flavor worldwide. APEDA, which stands for Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, is another crucial body. It handles the export promotion of various agricultural and processed food products from India. The Coconut Development Board, as the name suggests, promotes the production, development, and export of coconut and coconut products. Its role is critical in a country where coconut is not just a food item, but also a part of cultural and religious practices. The Cashew Export Promotion Council of India, or CEPCI, facilitates the export of cashew nuts and cashew-related products. Cashews are a significant export from India, and this council ensures that they reach global markets in the best possible condition. We also have the Shellac Export Promotion Council, focusing on promoting and regulating the export of shellac and shellac-based products. This body helps in preserving and promoting this unique and traditional industry. The Wool and Woolens Export Promotion Council supports the export of wool and woolen products from India. This council works to ensure that Indian wool and woolen products are competitive on the international stage. The Cotton Textiles Export Promotion Council, known as TexProCEL, aids in the promotion and export of cotton textiles. Cotton is a major commodity in India, and this council plays a significant role in its export. Finally, there's the Council for Leather Exports, or CLE. It promotes the Indian leather industry and facilitates its exports. The council's work ensures that Indian leather products are recognized and valued worldwide. These bodies play a crucial role in supporting exporters by providing specialized assistance, market insights, quality standards, export incentives, and various forms of support tailored to the specific commodities they represent. As we have seen, commodity-specific bodies in India are instrumental in promoting, regulating, and supporting trade within their respective industries. From the Coffee Board of India to the Council for Leather Exports, these organizations provide a crucial backbone to the country's diverse trade sectors. They address sector-specific issues, provide market information, organize trade shows, and lobby for favorable policies. In essence, these bodies are the unsung heroes of the trade industry, empowering exporters with specialized assistance, quality standards, export incentives, and a plethora of other forms of support tailored to the commodities they represent. The expertise and resources they offer can significantly enhance the competitiveness of exporters, helping them explore new markets and navigate industry-specific challenges more effectively. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Budev Global and press the bell icon to stay updated with more export and commodity-related videos. In our next video, we will delve deeper into how each commodity body works in export. Stay tuned.